We've got here today, we've got a snow melt boiler, we've got a house heating boiler. These are basically HTP Munchkins boilers and a Peerless wrapper. Got over here, we've got a PL36 Bell & Gossett pump we're replacing out. It's got got one of the nuts off. Gonna be working on the other ones, and gotta get them Radiant back. Radiant Kitchen, that's what this does. New pumps in, let me show you how we bleed this thing. We got the ball valves here, we got air in the center. So what I do is I open this one up, and this side is loose, but the gasket's acting like a seal. So hit it a couple times, just purging the pump, so we don't send more air. You see we got full open, close this up, tighten those bolts, wire it up, good to go. Got the pump swapped out. Let me go turn on the thermostat.
Thermostat is here.
Thermostat?
Yeah.
Oh, over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a phone. I'm taking a video for the YouTube. Putting nicely. Putt putt. She's chooching. She's chooching. Chooching alright. Don't worry, those are both exhausts. The intake comes from over here. Two exhausts, snow melt and the other one.